Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD from Shark Tweaks, and today Apple has released iOS 15.1 Beta 3 for registered developers. You can expect public Beta 3 to be available within 24 hours. Along with iOS 15.1 Beta 3, Apple has also released iPadOS 15.1 Beta 3, watchOS 8.1 Beta 3, tvOS 15.1 Beta 3, and macOS Monterey Beta 9. In this video, we will see what's new in iOS 15.1 Beta 3. So before I start, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates in the future, and it will also help us to grow the channel. Now let's start with the size of the software. Here as you can see that we get iOS 15.1 Beta 3 in 925 megabytes and I am using iPhone 11. So for you it depends on the version and the device you are coming from. So now let's check the build number. Let's go to the settings, general, about. You can see here the new build number is 19B5060D. Also we have a modem update over here. So if you are facing any connectivity issues in previous betas, that will be resolved in this beta. In iOS 15.1 Beta 3, Apple has released native support for ProRes video capture in the default camera app. Apple ProRes is only available for iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. To enable ProRes, go to the settings, camera, formats, and enable the Apple ProRes switch. Here you will find ProRes in iPhone 13 Pro and Max. Remember that ProRes footage consumes a lot of storage. 1 minute video of 10-bit HDR ProRes is approximately 1.7 GB for HD and 6 GB for 4K. If you have an iPhone 13 Pro with 128 GB of storage, you will be limited to 1080 pixel capture at 13 fps. Another major update in iOS 15.1 Beta 3 is that we have a new toggle to disable auto macro for the camera app in iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. In camera settings, you will get a new toggle for auto macro. This feature will automatically switch to the ultra wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. I haven't noticed any additional new bugs within the iOS 15.1 Beta 3. I will do a follow-up video and I will talk about more new features, battery performance or additional changes within next couple of days. And we can expect iOS 15.1 Beta 4 on 12th October as Apple is on 1 week cycle. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.